Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I wasn't even planning to, film anything on these today. I already had a video that I've done, it's on the Dunklo Phillies, so y'all are going to see that tomorrow, kind of going in depth on those, the drop, etc. But these came in today in the mail, and, we're going to make a video on these instead. I'm going to put this over, the Philly Dunklo, respectfully. In terms of what we're going to discuss. So right here, as you guys can see, this is the Chameleon SB Dunklo coming soon this summer. So make sure you guys are ready for this release. It is a collaboration with the Nike skater Alexis Sablone. Hopefully, I did not mess up her name right there. I don't think I did, but yeah, we'll get into it. We'll discuss this SB, some of the details with it, some of the hidden details, and yeah, really everything that we got with this collaboration on the way. So if y'all want more content like this, more early pair stuff just like this, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 200 likes in this video. And also another thing I will say is don't forget to check me on my Instagram down below if you ever want to buy or sell some pairs to me. I occasionally do trades. Right now I'm paused on that though, so I will be resuming that very shortly. Just stay tuned. And yeah, I got a couple of these for sale, size 8, 9.5, and this one right here is a size 10. So I might keep these. I'm kind of on the fence, but yeah, if anybody has a decent offer, hit me up. I got you with a size 10. So yeah, that's what I can say. I hope y'all will enjoy, and we're gonna get into discussing this collaboration in depth. Don't forget to also pop this up on the screen. You all can check out my group I got on the way coming soon, a little project that's going to be providing undermarket sneakers, getting some deals there. So if you're into that, stay tuned. But yeah, that's everything I need to say. Hopefully I haven't repeated myself too much. And why don't we dive into discussing this SB Dunklo collab, which is coming very soon. So just going to be coming with the regular cream box. We've seen this in the last few collaborations. Nothing really out of the ordinary or different with that. So yeah, just pretty much the same. So yeah, nothing unique there. Just kind of want to get that out of the way. So first things first, kind of getting into these, one of the main details throughout the sneaker. So first things first, this whole scaly look we got on the sneaker. You can see that is on the swoosh as well. This is more or less like a suede kind of material. It's like kind of like a hard, like I that's the only way I can describe it. It's like kind of like a hard suede material, you know what I mean? But it kind of that's it works because again it kind of has the scaly look going all around it. Like you can really feel it. Like it's the main thing you'll notice when you have the sneaker in hand. It's like you will notice kind of like the scales are very very visible. Like it's one of the main things you will notice on the sneaker right off the bat. It's not like they're kind of hidden, like you only see it up close. Like no, very visible. Even from a distance a little bit. I mean, if you're really looking at it from a distance, it just kind of looks like a kind of funky Dunklo, but yeah, kind of, if you get within range of it, maybe a couple feet, you're like, wait a second, that's not an ordinary Dunklo, you know what I mean? So another detail we got right here. So keep in mind, these are the Chameleon SB lows. So this is going to be Nike SB. There's the logo, and then it just says Chameleon because that's the name for this sneaker, what they're going with. I mean, I don't feel like that's probably the best option they could go with, and I'm sure I haven't looked into all the details completely yet because keep in mind, I just got this pair in, but I'm sure they're calling these the Chameleon SB Dunklos not only for the look of the sneaker, but probably something to do with like Alexis Sablone, something to do with like chameleons and reptiles. Maybe that's something that she's really into, is like nature stuff like that. I'm just kind of talking now, but that's what I'm thinking, something to do with the name, because usually with like skater collaborations, if they're doing something like this, it has like some sort of touch or connection to it. But another really funky detail I want to mention is the heel of the sneaker. Keep in mind, we have her initials right there on the back of the sneaker, AS, Alexis Sablone. And you guys can also see Nike, their logo right there is in a really nice kind of like suede, you know what I mean? Not a usual thing they would do, but this is like a suede material that they chose to put back here on the heel. So I'm a big fan of that. I think they should do that on more sneakers, honestly, because it's a nice touch. But yeah, her initials being on the back of the shoe, that's also pretty cool as well. So I like that. Probably one of my favorite parts of the shoe too, because again, it's just something you don't see. Usually don't have like words or letters like sticking out on the sneaker. I wasn't a fan of it, the recent CPFM Air Forces, but I mean, again, they had already done those in 2020. This is just kind of like, that was just kind of like the rerun for them. I'm not hating on them though, because I mean, those sneakers made a lot of progress. So most people like them, you know what I mean? They wouldn't have gone up if a lot of people didn't like them. But again, you can also see yeah, just kind of how those scales stand out. That's one of the main things I was like pointing out. You really notice it. Like it's not like it's again kind of hidden. Like you really notice it kind of like standing up from the sneaker. You know what I mean? Like you can feel it. It's not like pressed into the shoe. Like it's like coming like out of the sneaker almost. You know what I mean? If that's like an accurate way to put it. But also a really nice leather material on these. One of the main things I'll mention, kind of like a softer leather. So I'm a big fan of that. I know some people wouldn't like me, pressing down on the tongue tag, or not the tongue tag, but the toe box like that. But keep in mind, I might just keep this pair to wear. It still is brand new, but I like these. Like I really like this pair. In terms of a SB Dunk Low collaboration, they've outdone themselves. You know what I mean? Like this reminds me of some of the SBs we saw last year, where you had some really good quality, really good attention to detail. That's exactly what we got going on with these. You can see around the toe box, the scales right there. And yeah, you can also see that with the light. This is one thing. Or sorry, not with the light. Well, I guess maybe with the angle I was showing it, but you can see there's a couple parts on the sneaker where it's kind of like a different kind of like color on the scales. So we got that going on right there. Around the toe box is there. Also right here and here. So it's kind of cool to see that. How that kind of how funky this sneaker is. Like it really is different. That's one of the main things I will say about it. I haven't seen anything like this in a while. Well, really ever. You know what I mean? I don't know if there is. The Familia SB Dunk Lows are kind of funky. You know what I mean? But well, those aren't just the regular Dunk Lows, not the SB version. But I mean, these are just different. I mean, I like it. It's gonna be a comfortable sneaker as well. Also a nice detail on the insole as well. I thought I will show you guys that right there. So there you go. You can kind of see that's on both of them. And another thing I want to show you guys as well is we got this right here, kind of unique design, very, very funky. I don't know if that's like your signature logo. Something would not surprise me if it was, because usually a lot of the Nike SB skaters have some sort of signature logo that they use. And again, that's suede right there in the back, another really clean detail. So there's just a lot with these. They also, I believe, come with a set of laces. Let me I don't have the extra laces with these. I apologize, but I know exactly what they look like, so I'll tell you right now. I just gotta ask my guy to send them to me. I don't know why I forgot that. It happens. We all make mistakes, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's like a white and pink pair. So there's two that it also comes with, white and pink. So just keep that in mind. It's kind of like a bright pink, and then just, yeah, however you think white SB laces would look. That's exactly how they are. So two other laces that they come with. So think about how those would look on a sneaker like this. I think the white laces could work, and the pink ones would just be really funky, you know what I mean? But overall, skating this sneaker is going to be interesting. I'm really excited to see how how this shoe looks when it's skated, you know what I mean? Like, I'm sure it'll probably hold up just fine, because this is kind of like a, durable material. It's not like, this is going to, like, break open immediately, like, for example, something like the Futura SB Dunk would, because that's all canvas. I mean, you do a couple kick flips, they're cooked, you know what I mean? It's not going to, some heel flips, that it's over. Like, if you skate hard, then, yeah, the Futuras don't get them and skate them. Unless you just are, you got money to burn, you know what I mean? Because they ain't gonna last you long. But these actually might, these got some durability to them, you know what I mean? I think these would be pretty good. So,
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. Now water can flow, or it can crash in water, my friend.
Let me know your thoughts on this SB Dunk Low. I just wanted to give you guys a little early preview and look at them, because I'm a huge fan of these. I'm probably going to end up towing this 10, but I got an 8, 9.5, and 10, so anybody wants to hit me on my IG down below, feel free. If you got, some offers right there. I don't really have a price in mind, but, it is a nice pair. That's one of the main things I will say. So I'm not selling them for, like, super cheap. I'll say that, but, yeah. Again, one of the funkier pairs we've had from this year. I'm definitely, like, getting a personal pair. I just have to see if, like, a 10 will fit me well. But I'm getting a 9.5 or 10, 100%. Like, this is going... whenever, these drop, is this summer. But, like, this pair is going in my collection. 100%. Like, I'm getting a pair of these to wear. This is one of my favorites from this year. Also, the recent Navajo arts. Like, I love... like that SB Dunk High. I just love funky shoes. Those, like, do more shoes that are just kind of funky and different like that. I'm a cop them every time. So that is what I can say about these. For me, it's a must cop, and it's dropping summer 2024. So let me know if it's a cop for you. And yeah, don't forget, again, as I was saying recently, about like 30 seconds ago, y'all can hit me up on IG down below if y'all need any kicks. Always buying and selling. I'll be trading again soon, but I got tons of pairs for sale there. I got like the Lightning 17s, Canaries, Rios, those Jordan 3s. I got some of these 8, 9.5, 10. I got some other early pairs. So yeah, I mean, like, you just check my story. I got a lot for sale there. I'll be posting it up right after this video right here. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I filmed this. I'm gonna get it done, edit it. I gotta head to UPS. So yeah, we got a few things to get done. You know what I mean? I gotta hang out with my cats that are chilling right here in my bed. You know what I mean? Get them some food, stuff like that. Pay attention to them. So yeah, not that busy of a day, but somewhat busy. So I'm keeping it busy, you know what I mean, by doing things that are productive. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this pair down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If y'all want more early pair content, let's try to 200 on this video. Just lets me know that you're rocking with this pair, but also lets me know you're rocking with videos like this. So I'm T. Thank you guys. Hopefully I will catch you on the next one. Do not miss out on that. And see you guys then. Don't miss out. Peace.